So I'm going to review the Accelera 351 Sport Xtra. It's an 100 treadwear tyre, primarily geared towards drifting, but I managed to get on the driver programme with a discount. This full set cost me not much over 200 quid. I'm running 205 on front, 225 on back, 15 inch. It's not a comparison against another tyre. It's basically my view on it. There's some footage from Southport Sprint which I did, which were bone dry. There's some footage from Hillclimb in June which I did, which were bone dry. And there's some footage from July Hillclimb which was raining and fairly heavily at times. The results are there with them, and then I'll do an overview at the end and basically let you know whether they're worth trying or not. So, conclusions. I think they're alright and dry. I can lock them up a little bit coming into hairpins, bends, stuff like that. Really surprised me was the wet performance. If you look at the results on the second run, so on the results you'll see the first band, and then there's one that's highlighted bold, which is your time, and then your split times are before. The next one over is the second run. Now on that last one, in the rain, I was fastest, and I bet both Caymans, I bet the four-wheel drive Audi, and I bet the F-Type. So as a wet tyre, and there was quite a bit of standing water there, I was really pleased with them. As a dry tyre, are they going to be as quick as an AR1? On a short sprint course like this, they probably are. Yeah, they're 100 treadwear, they're a lot softer. Now, on a longer run, on a track day, are they going to hold up? I've no idea, can't tell you that. But certainly on short runs, I can't fault them. Like I said, I can break traction relatively easily coming into bends, but I am pushing it, and I'm really pushing it. That car weighs about 920, 930 kilos, and it's pushing somewhere between 200 and 220 brake horse. So you know, it's relatively quick. 200 odd quid a set as opposed to probably 200 quid a tyre. Yeah, just use them, run them, enjoy them, and if it does rain, you're pretty covered. Cheers, bye.